Okay, students, I was trying to talk fast and finish off the chapter on that last video, but didn't quite make it. So again, the statement of cash flows under the direct method. We saw operating cash flows, net outflows of 25 million for investing activities, net cash outflows for 221 million, and for financing activities, net cash inflows of 160 million for a net decrease in cash of 86 million. Now notice the cash flows from investing and financing activities are done exactly the same way under the direct method or the indirect method. That doesn't have anything to do with them. It's strictly about operating activities. So we will go down to the net cash flows from using the indirect method, and we see again those same numbers. Net cash outflow from operating activities 25 million. Now notice it looks different here. Cash flows from investing activities looks exactly the same, gives you the same amount, and the same for financing activity. They're exactly the same and give you the same amounts and the same amount of decrease in cash. Now, I didn't read that problem to you, but we can go down since we have some time now. Just refer back to exercise 2127. Prepare the statement of cash flows for red ink using the indirect method to report operating activities. So we looked at both the direct method and the indirect method. Now, I'll just go on through the end of the chapter in the book. And these ratios, I'm not holding you accountable for them. I don't care about those. The appendix, the spreadsheet on the indirect method, I showed you that on the last video. And so you see the same color coding as we went through a while ago. And there they walk you through the entries. You can do the same thing rather than using the spreadsheet by using T accounts. And that gets us through the chapter. So what to expect on the exam. Did want to talk about that a little bit. So again, as with the other tests, the exam questions will be approximately equally weighted among the chapters. I'm anticipating probably 25 questions worth 4 points each. I'm not sure. I could go to something else, but I'm not planning to do more than 100 points. And I am going to shorten the time that you have. So if you're not prepared, you're not going to do well. That's just the bottom line. Remember, I'm preparing you for those other upper level classes and the CPA exam. You know, other classes, I talk to colleagues in other departments, management, marketing, wherever, even finance and economics, and you know, they say, well, you know, I'm just not going to cover everything. I don't have that luxury. I have to prepare you for those other upper level classes and for the CPA exam. So we are going to work hard. At least I'm working hard. I hope you are. And we're going to cover all of the material. You're not going to fail to be prepared because I didn't do my job. Sorry for that long pause. I was coughing, but it took me a little bit to get up there to hit pause. So I hope that answers your questions for you. I kind of feel like I'm putting stuff out there in cyberspace and I don't get any feedback to know if you guys are reading any of it or listening to any of the videos or if you're getting anything or you're not. I guess I'll find that out on the exam. I hope the videos have been good and helpful to you. I've certainly worked hard on them, and I wish you the best. We are going to go back and cover Chapter 1 after the test, but don't forget the exam is coming up on Monday. I believe it's April 27th. So be prepared. Remember, you have to take it during your normal class time, except the 11 o'clock class can take it with the 9:30 class if you prefer. But it'll be the same thing. It'll be on Connect, and you will get your grade upon turning in your test. Now, you'll have to wait a little bit for feedback. But anyway, I hope you have a great day. I hope you're all being safe. I hope you're all well. I am well. I'm going stir crazy. I'm coming into the office pretty much every day, even on Saturdays usually. If you need to get in touch with me, you're welcome to call me at the office. You're welcome to email. And I miss you guys. I miss seeing you. I would much prefer to lecture to you in person than to do these videos. The videos are tedious, and it's just not much fun to sit here in my office and talk like I'm lecturing. It just is not the same, and I miss you guys. I hope you're well, and I hope next fall you will come to see me. Any of you that are my advisees, please contact me and let me know if you need anything on the advising front. And let me make sure that you're getting the courses you need. But I wish you all the best, and I will over and out for now.